Hey guys, it's been really many months since we last spoke about the TVT Trust Wallet token. And definitely, if you remember last time when we were talking about it, the TVT was somewhere here. We're testing this global trend line purple, and I said that probably we are going to reverse here locally and have some bonds probably until this zone, and eventually we will get back to this trend line, and eventually we will lose it and get back, maybe not to 15-20 cents but to 30-40 cents. I would expect it there, but this asset turned out to be stronger than we thought initially, and it was successfully resistant to the bear market that we are having. It was performing better than most of the altcoins and top coins of this market. Why? Because I think that a lot of Binance fans, they are so excited and they believe so much in this token, and maybe Binance also helps to hold the liquidity in this token. And definitely I know from the rumors from the community that supports TVT and believes in it that they are waiting for it to pump to $20. Maybe so, because it is clear that TVT is going to be the main competitor of the MetaMask wallet, and they are going to conquer and run this crypto segment in the crypto industry, because they have power, they have money, and good market makers, and definitely the investors. So, but at this moment, I have some precautions that I have to mention to you, especially if you are looking to buy this token right now, or if you didn't buy it yet, and lower. Definitely, you have to be very careful right now, because we have some signs that definitely I see this uncovered week, and we usually covered them, and we didn't fully covered it at that time. Also, we have this week that didn't play out as it's supposed to play out. So basically, after it we had to draw another weekly that supposed to go lower, but it didn't. We got pumped higher. So definitely we will be back to cover it, at least this one. Also, let's draw some on the daily. Let's switch to the daily to be more clear, specific here. On the macro level, we are. It looks kind of like the big accumulation zone, big accumulation triangle at the moment. So let's build this mid-term counter trend line, and you can see we are holding it nicely for now, and it seems that we're starting descending here clearly. And let's draw our midterm supporting line, trend line, and as you can see we have some confirmations here that it is working. We have two confirmations here and here. We held it. So basically, when we lose this, and when we lose, and not with just fake out, and that is going to be bought back, but if we lose and close on at least daily candle under this blue trend line, then it is mostly guaranteed that we are going back down. And where to where? Definitely I am expecting, if we are losing this trend line, we are getting somewhere here to this pink purple trend line, at least there. So basically, if you're looking to buy TVT and you believe in it, at least wait for it to get back in this zone, in the 60 to 70 cents zone. What other indicator? Let's turn on my indicators that I used mostly, as you know, and let's look at this chart, and it confirms that these global trend lines work well for us, and there are possibilities that we are reversing here and going into the lower range here to this global trend line. What are those signs? Definitely we have already on the daily time frame, which is a high time frame for us, we have already lost this Kijun shift and are swinging under it as resistance. So as long as we hold it, we are set to go down. If we reclaim it, so basically if we do something like this, then we are set to go up to the global counter trend line, where we are going to be set back and we'll start the retracement. But if not, but at the moment I don't think it is likely, unless of course Bitcoin starts running high and strong. And also we have this super trend, and in combination with Kijun shift, they are working perfect and are very useful, as you know from our videos, previous predictions. So definitely we had this great run here, the upside run, where we held this upside trend, and now we started to lose it, and here we broke this ascending trend, and as we broke it, we needed to retest it, and we went for a retest here, and we got rejected here and absorbed, and another one, and another one here. We were retesting both here, the super trend and Kijun's resistance. Got rejected it. Usually it proves that we broke it and retested successfully, and usually it proves that our trend has changed from the ascending here to the descending here. So definitely we have all the grounds. For example, today is the weekend, so if we hold here, we can start the week with some recovery here. But if we meet again here the rejection upon this super trend and Kijun resistance, and we reverse and eventually lose and close below this line, then it is proved to be that we are going down. So upon this break or retest, maybe we of course we cannot short TVT, otherwise I would short it here, either here, or upon the retest, and we are waiting it in the 62, 63, 70 cents zone. So if you are looking into to buy this asset, better wait for the confirmation. You will be able either buy lower, much lower from the current prices, or if we reclaim this Kijun and break this global counter trend line, then we are going higher, and you will be able to buy somewhere here. But the chances at the moment are, for me, in my opinion, are higher into the in favor of the descending towards this global trend line. So be careful. Good luck to you guys.